All right, guys, well, April is almost over and we only have 6 weeks till the Hot Rod Power Tour. The car is almost complete. I do have a couple more things I need to do, but today we're going to take it out to Tri-State Raceway because they have their third annual car show where there's no drag racing today. It's just a car show, but I want to put some miles on it and make sure it's ready for the trip. Looks like there's a pretty good turnout for today. It's just getting started. Probably 100 cars here at least already. These are the three winners of the car show. I didn't take a ton of video from there because this wasn't really a video about that car show. It's really about all the car shows that I had planned for the year. So with 6 weeks away from the Hot Rod Power Tour, not only am I doing the Power Tour, I'm also doing Six Summer the week after. So I have a 2-week trip in this car planned in June, as well as a ton of other car shows that are coming up in the next couple of weeks to months ahead. In fact, just next weekend, we actually have Vintage Torque Fest here at our Dubuque County Fairgrounds, and I'll be taking my 48 Chevy to that one. And I plan to have a really good time with all the older Rat Roddy style cars that are going to be at this car show. There's also dirty drag racing on the oval track. I think there's a demolition derby, a pinup contest, and several other different types of contests that they're going to be having, as well as a lot of live music and other things going on. So it's not really just a kind of park and sit in your car kind of car show. There's actually things to do at this event. Oh yeah, and I forgot the massive flamethrower show at night. They bring out the flamethrower cars and do big flames down by the track too. So if you haven't heard of that event, you might want to check it out. It's Vintage Torque Fest. It's at the Dubuque County Fairgrounds, and it brings out a lot of cars from all over the place. A lot from Minnesota, Iowa, Wisconsin, Illinois. It's a really fun show. I've actually met people on Power Tour that knew of Dubuque, Iowa just because of Vintage Torque Fest. So it's a pretty big show. That being said, my goal for 2026 is to cover a whole bunch of different automotive events and take you on kind of some more historical type journeys and show you different places that are around my area of the country, as well as some of the different areas on Route 66, because I have several trips planned to hit the Mother Road this summer. And with Route 66 turning 100 years old this year and our country turning 250 years old, it got me thinking there's a lot of historical sites that I could show you, and it would be a fun opportunity to take the car and put some miles on it this summer. So I have a whole bunch of different historical areas that I'd like to go explore, as well as show you the Mississippi River Valley, that portion that I live in, because there's some great roads along the edge of the river, and there's some places to get some really scenic shots that I think you'd all enjoy. So I hope to make videos this summer that not only inspire people to maybe get out there and build their own hot rod, but more to just get out there and explore the country we live in, as well as bring you coverage from some of the great events that I have planned, like Six Summer and 666, which are both drag and drive events that I'm signed up for. Obviously the Hot Rod Power Tour, I'll be bringing coverage of that. And just some of the local car shows in our area have some really amazing cars around here. There's definitely a classic car culture in my area that we fill multiple car shows on Thursday night every single week when it's not raining. So if you're interested in seeing some of the coolest cars in the country and some of the fastest street-driven race cars in the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow along the channel. And if you have a Route 66 trip planned, whether it's for the Hot Rod Power Tour or not, I have some t-shirts in my store down here in the description on the YouTube page that maybe you should check out and get yourself a t-shirt for your trip. Again, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you follow along for some awesome automotive content.